Hey, what's up, YouTube? I am Henry Vernon. I'm here with a student.
KCM.
Yeah. We're going to run through the driving test. We're at a Broward County, Florida DMV location. We're going to run through everything on the test. So, if you watch to the end, you will know exactly what is on the driving test. You'll be able to pass it with no problem. Before I get into the video, though, I'm going to ask you to subscribe to my other YouTube channels. So if you're a car lover, if you're into cars, then I have one called Exotic Car Culture. I'm a car enthusiast myself, so they're really nice car shows, car events, beautiful cars on that channel. If you're into music, reggae, dancehall, sound system, check out my other sound system channel. It's called Sequence Sound. That's also, a really good channel if you're into music. And then this channel, the ACC Driving School. If you haven't subscribed already, and I'm saying that because I get maybe 15% of the thousands of people that watch the channel to subscribe. I don't know why, but most people are watching. Very few people are subscribing. So please subscribe to this channel just to help out. The channel helps you, help me out by subscribing. Alright? And remember, I have the 6-hour class that you need before you get your learner's permit. I have the 4-hour class. If you're over 18, you do the 4-hour class. If you're under 18, you do the 6-hour class. I have the traffic ticket classes, 4, 8, and 12-hour on the website. I also have the written test online for people under 18, accdriverseducation.com. Again, that is accdriverseducation.com. If you want to do the third-party driving test, the DMV appointments are not difficult to find anymore, but if you still want to do the third party, you can call me at 954-588-8075. That will be on the screen throughout this whole video. Alright, madam, so they're going to ask you a question. If you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Left, away from the curb. Put the car in park. Put your handbrake up. Pull your handbrake up and turn the car off.
Yeah, that works. Alright, do your turn signal. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. Alright, so they're gonna be outside of the car instructing you to do those things. They're checking your brake lights, your turn signal lights, your horn. They will not take you out in a car if any of those things are not working. Now they're gonna ask you to turn the steering wheel all the way left, all the way until it stops. They're going to be outside again checking your left front tire. Turn all the way right. Again, they're going to be checking your right front tire. They will not take you out in a car if any of those things are not working. So you straighten it 2 times back to the middle. Right there. Cool. Alright, so now the examiner will get into the car and they'll tell you basically to listen and follow instruction. They'll say something like, there are no tricks on the test. They'll be like, I'm gonna tell you what to do, just follow instructions. There are no tricks. So now we're gonna reverse and we're gonna go to the right. So you look behind, keep the wheel straight, Look behind until your mirror is past the end of the parking lot line. See the white line for the parking lot? When your mirror is past the end like that, you're gonna turn all the way to the left. Look behind and roll back gently. A little bit more. Alright, that's good. We're gonna go to the stop sign right here and we're gonna make a left turn. Go into your right lane. So come to a complete stop. Look in both ways, make sure it's clear, and go. You can go. This car is way down the end. And remember, the speed limit in the parking lot is about 10 miles per hour. So you don't want to go flying through the parking lot. So every time they tell you to make a left turn or a right turn, you make sure you signal. So here we're going to come to the stop sign here and stop completely. Then we're going to move up to where you can see. Remember, you got to count to 3. You're doing that quick stop again. Remember you were doing that when we first started? Okay, so you look both ways. Make sure it's clear over here and over here. Now it's time to go. Take your time. Gently Yeah, when we get to the stop signs, I want you to count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Because if you do that quick stop in the test, they're going to fail you. So this is a 4-way stop sign. So whoever gets here first have the right of way. So you stop completely. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and make it left. Okay, when we come to this stop sign, we're gonna go straight across. After you've stopped, stop completely. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead. And clearly we're not counting out loud so they can hear us. Heck, alright. I gotta say all that. You'd be surprised. Yeah, go in the right lane. And we're gonna go past this fire hydrant and we're gonna make a right turn. So signal right. Okay, so again, we're gonna make sure the mirror is past the curb before you turn. That way your back wheel will not hit the curb. Just like that. Okay, go to the stop sign and stop. Okay, stop completely. 1, 2, 3, looking both ways, there and there. So now we're gonna stop about here. Stop, but make sure you're in the middle of the space, remember? Because now they're gonna tell you to speed up to 20 and stop. So keep the wheel straight. Look at the wheel. Yeah, make sure it's straight. Speed up to 20, sudden stop. And stop. Then reverse straight back. Look behind and roll straight back. No gas, just let it roll nice and easy, just like that. And stop. And again, the objective here is to make sure you back up in between that line and the parking space. You don't want to be in the parking space. You don't want to cross that line, right? Alright, now we're going to do the 3-point turn. So put the car in drive, signal left, turn all the way left. You're going to go forward and stop before you go into the parking space over on the left side. Look a little bit more, just a touch. Alright, reverse. All the way right. Look over your left shoulder. And stop here. Put the car back in reverse and drive. Signal left again. Okay, signal left. Stop completely. 1, 2, 3. Again, we're looking there and there. Alright. Alright, we're making a left turn. Slow down, slow down. Make a left. Signal left. Alright, stop here. Wait for these people to get out the parking space. Alright, pull up, more to the right side so we can park. Closer to the right is always better, right? Without actually going into the parking space. So now we're gonna line up this. In this car we're doing the steering wheel, right? In every other car you would do the mirror. But you see the steering wheel's lined up, turn all the way left. And then roll forward. As soon as you pass this cone on the right side, You're going to straighten up. Straighten the wheel and pull straight in. And stop. Okay, cool. Alright, reverse and we're going to the left. So look behind. Gently. As soon as your mirror is past the cone, turn all the way right. And continue looking behind as you reverse. Keep going. Alright, stop here. Put the car back in drive. Signal left. We're going to go to the stop sign here and make a left. Alright, signal left again. Complete stop. 1, 2, 3. Alright, go ahead. Alright, we're going to come to this stop sign again and make another left. Okay, stop completely. Wait for this car. Alright, you see in this case, this car doesn't have a stop sign, right? So if there's a car coming there, you would wait for them. Alright, we're going to the stop sign. It's a four-way stop sign, so then we're making a right turn. Stop completely. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and make it right. We're making a right turn again by this gym. So you signal right. Again, every time they tell you to turn, you signal, right? Otherwise, you're going to get -4 points for each one. You don't want any negative points. You want to get 0 negative points, which means you pass with 100%. Alright, so we're going to pass the fire hydrant again and then turn right. Signal right. And again, we're going to make sure the mirror is past the curb before we turn, to make sure your back wheel doesn't hit the curb. Okay. Alright, park on the right side. Over a little bit more. Alright, straighten out. Okay, cool. Put the car in park. So, how do you think you did?
Okay.
Okay, you did okay, that's
I
it?
think I'll pass.
You did well enough to pass, yes. But we're still gonna practice again, so
Okay.
you're good. You're gonna get 100. Right?
Alright. I will.
Yes, yeah, you weren't sounding so sure just now. But yes,
will.
I think you will. Alright, so you see how she's doing. I'll put that in the description when she's done. How much she passed with, what number. But again, I'm asking you guys to subscribe to my other YouTube channels, Sequence Sound and Exotic Car Culture. This channel, if you haven't subscribed already, I'm begging you to subscribe. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Tell them bye.
Bye.
Damn, I'll try.